Hello there. In this script bit, I'm going to be showing you how functions work. So first add in a part and add in a script to the part. So basically functions can store code inside it, so you don't have to do it, write it out again. So for example, invisible, which would make the part invisible just for a demonstration. So we can change its transparency property and we can make it invisible. And so with functions, you can run them wherever you like in the code. But if you go inside this function and add a local function, this function will only be available inside this. So let's just call it a random name. We can only do the get function. Inside the function, you can't use it here, and that's just an example of how local functions work. So if you click the run button, your part will become invisible because the code, you made a function called invisible and then you called it down here. So it's a good way to so for example, if you write out a big long bit of code that does something but you don't want to write it heaps of times, you could put it into a function and then you could just do that function multiple times without having to write out the code. Bye, and thanks for watching this script bit.